Threading a sewing machine can seem hard, but it's actually really easy. Start by placing your thread onto the machine. Secure it in place with the end cap. To the left of the machine, you'll notice numbers and hooks. These numbers indicate the pattern that you are to wind the thread through. Hook up under 1, around 2, down through this slot, under and around 3, 4, bring it back up to 5, down to 6 and 7. 6 and 7 are small metal hooks. Come around 6 and then around 7. Now it's time to thread the needle. Make sure that the needle is up. Thread through the front, towards the back, and pull it through. Bring the string forward and slide it back between the foot. Now bring the needle down and back up to catch the bobbin string. Bring those towards the back and you're ready to sew.